Simple Android application which shows how many times you click on the button. Okay, let's call this application click button application. Okay, here we go. First you have to open the main activity main.xml, go to the button. In this application you will need the button and the text view. Drag and drop the button somewhere in here, and then grab the text view and put it in here. Delete the hello world here, we don't need it anymore. You want to be button on the top and in the middle, so we'll do it like this, and pin it to the top. And the text view we want to be also in the middle, so pin it to the left, pin it to the right, and to the bottom, and move it like somewhere in the center, it doesn't matter. Okay, we want to make this text bigger, so click on the text view, go in here to the attributes field, click on the search and type size. Here you see the text size field, put it somewhere about 34, so it would look some bigger. Okay, let's create the click method, which will do something when we click on the button. Choose the button and then use the search field here and type on click. Here we have the on-click method for our button. Put the cursor in here and type on-click and hit enter. Now go to the code and find the on-click method in here. This is your button, and inside the button you have the on-click method. Put the cursor on the on-click button, and on the left you see the red bubble, and click here, and you have to create the on-click view in main activity. Hit this. Okay, we move to the main activity.java and we are going to write some code. First, you have to access the text field, and for this you have a special method which is called find view by ID. So let's type it, find view by ID, and then in the parentheses you want to type R, means resources, and then ID, and then dot, and here you have to type the ID of your text field, text view field. Go to main activity, choose design here, choose the text view, and okay, delete this text, and here on the right you see the ID, and the ID of your text view is text view. So you want to, in main activity Java, type text view. There it is, in semicolon. You want to save. In Android we have a special class which is called text view. To the variable which shows the text to the user, we type text view, and then type the name of the variable, for example my text, and then assign. So in here we assign the find view by ID to the variable my text. If you have this text in red, it means you did not import the class. Put the cursor in the middle and press Alt Enter on your keyboard and choose import class. Okay, at this stage, next what we have to do is use my text and assign the text which you want to the text field. For this we have this set text method in Android. You type the variable and then type dot and choose set text, and here in the parentheses you want to type you clicked the button, you clicked the button. Okay, now we can check if our application works. Push this button play here and your application will be launched. The name of your application, click button, and when you click you see the text which you entered, you click the button. But we also want at the end of this text to see the number of clicks of the button. So for this, in the main activity class in here, we want to create a variable. This is going to be the integer variable. We'll call it number of clicks. Number of clicks, and assign 0 to it. And then to your text you want to add this variable so that you could see the number of clicks. To concatenate the string and some other variables we use plus operator, and you type number of clicks, and then each time you click on the button, the method will run this code, and at the end of this code you want to add one click to the number of clicks variables. So for this we have, let's type number of clicks, and we have plus operator, and for now that's it for now. So let's check our application. Click terminate. You click on the button, you see 0 here. You click on the button again, you see 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So thank you very much. That's it. Very simple application for your Android.